spider. And just wanted to, if anyone was curious. So what I did, I made the base part out of like thermocell. So I can see this thermocell stuff, which is the, let me show you what it looks like. Here we go. So it looks like this. It's kind of like packaged material. It comes in like this when you get some sort of food delivery situation. It keeps it cold or warm or whatever. I don't know why we have it, but I kept it from something so I could do art. Or maybe packing material. Anyway, so I put this together with a couple of these and ripped them, whatever. And then I am gonna attach the spider head here soon. But the thing that I thought came up with here is the Mod Podge. So I had a little bit of Mod Podge left, but not enough. It was kind of hard, not enough to do anything. Hey, you little cutie, I love it. So I put water in it, and then I shook it up, but also I used most of this magazine, ripped it up, and stuck it in here, and then shook it up. It's still in there. I'll show you. And this is, then it's kind of like paper mache. Hang on. Here we go. You can see inside now. So then I just grab it out like so. It's super gooey. And then we just put it. You have to attach it to the other papers rather than, like, if I were to try and attach it in here on there, it wouldn't work as well as just attaching it to the papers. But then it dries and it becomes hard. So you can see this is hard, this one. And then I was just painting it. I'm gonna spray paint it, attach this head, and he's gonna be a spider. Yay! So let's get the idea. I made these separately, attached them. Same with these, attached them with tape. Small amount of tape. And then I used leftover streamer, you can see it here, to make sure that they stay upright, and like kind of wrapped it around each that. And then wrapped this around, and then put the paper mache on. And now it's hardening. This is not dry yet. This is not dry yet. And if you try and paint it while it's wet, it won't work. Or it will work, but it kind of re-wets this stuff if it's not dry yet. So that kind of stuff comes up. But, so that's what I'm doing. And let me know what you think. This is Ollie. Ollie! Hi! Oh, sorry. Sorry. I like the Mod Podge my dog. Okay,